On a quiet morning in Tokyo, Zozo suddenly realized that his room needed a fresh, new change. Zozo didn't just want to change the wall color. He wanted to create a space that felt warm, adorable, and truly his own.
計画はバッチリ。さあ、ZOZO の最初のお買い物、勉強会に出発です。
Zozo understood that to create a beautiful room, every small detail had to be prepared with care. Before the pink color could appear, Zozo had to transform the room into a space ready for change. Each stroke of paint feels like a brush line in Zozo's small dream.
Next time, remember the brushes go here, Zozo.
Let's go!
Even though he is small, Zozo handled every step himself. The new room is slowly coming to life through his persistence.
La la.
After the fresh coat of paint, even the old furniture feels new when placed in the right position.
Zozo wanted his bed not only to look beautiful, but also to be soft enough to end a long day with a restful sleep. The old room had disappeared. In front of Zozo was a small pink world, warm and gentle.
This is delicious.
After doing everything by himself, this meal became the sweetest reward for Zozo.
From a small idea in his design notebook, Zozo transformed his old room into a dreamscape. Thanksgiving morning has arrived at Zozo's cozy home, and from the very first light of day, the little heart is already filled with
Meal, right, son? Gotta be thorough.
Wow, look at the water go.
Zozo begins to understand that a beautiful meal starts with care, and today, every small detail is being learned through quiet attention and patience. Just a pinch of salt, a touch of pepper, and a small pair of handling with care. Zozo has found a way to become part of the family meal through quiet effort and sincerity.
As the turkey slowly roasts in the oven, the family kitchen comes alive with the familiar rhythm of preparing the rest of the holiday meal.
Some things may seem simple, but when a small heart does them with complete sincerity,
If the turkey is the heart of the meal, then cranberry sauce is the vibrant red spirit of the holiday.
without a moment to rest, the kitchen fills once again with a gentle sweetness, signaling that the beloved pumpkin pie of the holiday is about to come to life.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
From the familiar ingredients of autumn, a pumpkin pie begins to take shape quietly.
Mashed potatoes may be the simplest dish on the holiday table, yet they bring a quiet softness that
No one is rushing, and no one feels tired. The kitchen seems to breathe with quiet joy as each dish slowly.
Thank you.
For Zozo, today's table is not only about delicious food.
Wow.
a delicious meal is not simply placed into the oven and left to wait, but carefully tended through every moment of its journey toward golden perfection.
Ooh. Okay.
Amid the warmth and gentle aromas, the order returning peaks as if everything is preparing to welcome a togetherness. After hours of patience, the sweetest reward of the holiday kitchen finally arrives.
Wow. So good. Yay. Oh, Mama.
From the oven, the pumpkin pie carries the gentle fragrance of autumn, sweet and comforting, just like the warmth that now fills the entire home.
Yummy. Woo!
Every flavor is now ready. Just a few final steps remain before the Thanksgiving dinner truly begins.
Wow.
Almost done, dear.
Looking good. From the kitchen to the table, each dish carries the touch of every family member, coming together in a moment of warmth and togetherness.
Okay.
Each dish carries its own flavor, but when shared in the joy of family, everything becomes richer, warmer, and far more memorable. And like every complete celebration, the final sweetness arrives gently, closing the evening with a sense of warmth and fulfillment. On that Thanksgiving, Zazo learned that the most valuable part was not the grateful table, but the family making everything with love.
Let's go.
Almost ready, little one.
Yeah.
Just a couple more things.
Yes, we're going soon. That morning, Zazo woke up with a great sense of excitement because the small family was about to have a truly special day at the farm.
Time for my hat. La, la, la.
From the modern city, the small car carried the family toward a green and peaceful farm where rows of strawberries
Oh my God.
Everything before Zoe felt like a brand new world, where every row of plants carried a small and delightful surprise waiting to be discovered.
Wow.
Look for the brightest red. Yes, that one. It's ready.
Like this? Good job. The very first strawberry in Zozo's hands filled the little one with such happiness. It felt like discovering a bright red treasure.
Look at all the juicy ones.
Watch your step now, dear.
Whoa, so many, look!
After the first moments of uncertainty, Zozo truly became part of the work and discovered the simple joy of harvesting something with small hands.
Yes! Wow!
Let's examine this one's stem.
Like this? Like this?
Now check for an even surface. A pumpkin was heavier than Zozo had imagined, but with Dadno and Kako by the side... Oh my god. When the first carrot popped out of the ground, Zozo realized that the most exciting...
Look for that!
Well done, son.
Such lovely ones, indeed.
Back from the farm, the journey was not over yet, because everything they brought home was about to become a warm and delicious family dinner.